Okay, hi fellas, today we want to change the anvil, the ring and the housing for the Makita bug driver. And first thing, I think it's a very good idea to remove the spring ring here. And this one not always want to get out easily. And of course I'm afraid that it will pop out and I will not find it. So let's do the trick. Insert a bit like that, and okay, now I need to see where's my spring ring. Yeah, it's here. Okay, it seems that I have looked at it. Yep. Okay, so we have the spring ring, we have the washer, we have the spring itself, we have the cover, and where's our ball? They don't want to get out, and okay, we'll use the magnet here. Okay, so, and of course we have the greasy anvil here. Now let's open it. Yep. Okay, we got it open it, and as you can see we have the rubber here. Probably just let's remove it. Okay, and what a nice piece we have here. Okay, need to check this one is on a grid or just put it in. It's only on the O-ring. Okay, so just taking everything out easily like that, and you can see the difference on the old and new washer. Basically it's changed the color, but we will replace it. What I want to do now here, I want to put some grease inside. And do you know why I need that grease? To hold the washer. Yep. Okay, the next step is the anvil going in, and yep, nicely. Okay, so basically this one can be thrown out. This one need to be washed a little bit, so I will wash it. Okay, as you can see I have washed it, and what we need to do now, we need to put some grease here inside for the hammer, and a little bit on the housing. We'll put some grease in the gap here. some grease on the gears. Okay, so let's put it like that. This one goes like that, and okay, this one now need to be aligned, and probably the holes will go here like that. Let's check. Can I press it? Okay. No. Yeah, nothing is holding it now. Just want to get it aligned. Let's try hammer. Okay, got it. And as I got it a little bit disaligned, I will try to, yeah, I can easily move it. Okay. So what we can do now, we can assemble the holder. Of course, we can do this in the same way as we have disassembled it when the tools assembled. So it's up to your choice. We'll clean the spring here. So how it was the balls inside, yep. This one was probably like that. The spring, the washer, and the spring ring. And that's all. Of course, checking for the spring ring, is it really in? Now we can check if it holds a bit. If it holds, that's good. We can continue assembling it, and of course we can put the rubber. Basically the rubber can be mounted at any time. Okay, doke. Now let's try to join it together with the motor. Okay, and that's why I love Makita. Everything fits perfectly in easily. It's even the place for the warranty sticker here. Let's test it. Nice little impact driver. Nice. Love it. That's all. Easy, great fix. Thumbs up and bye.